Okay, so here are your spelling words. We have goes, Goes, open, Open, bye, like to say goodbye to somebody, bye, Bye, which, Which, bean, like where have you been, Been, these, These, those, Those, for, Four, this is the number, carry, Carry, drink, Drink, try, Try, why, Why, and full, Full. So the only ones that are not sight words and have phonics in them instead are these ones. So you did a great job sounding out all of the other words. You've spelled 180 words so far, and these are the ones that you have missed. So that is pretty good. You're going to write these ones 3 times a day, saying the letters, and I will show you how to do that. But first, I'm just going to go over the phonics of these 3. So WH makes WH, CH makes CH, WH. Which way did they go? And then the Halloween witch is WITCH. And that one actually makes sense as well, because we know there are 2 ways to make the W sound, WH or just W. This one is a silent E, and this one is a silent E. So TH makes th, and then this E says its name, and then this E is silent because it's making that say its name. And same thing with this. This is TH makes th, and then this E makes the O say its name. O's. Okay, so one of the things that I know you've been practicing, sorry, I have a lot of art that I've been doing and I'm staining my wood desk, is the clock. So I want you to practice, and what you're going to do at home with your clock, I know it's a little different than mine, is you are going to spend 5 minutes a day with you and mom switching off, and you're going to just put it on a time, and then you're going to tell mom what time it is. And then she's going to do the same thing. And then you're going to tell her what time it is. And we can remember that the 12 is o'clock. The 3 is the 15. The 6 is the 30 for the minute hands. The 9 is the 45. And every single one of these numbers, when it's the minute hand, is going to stand for 5 minutes. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Sorry, it's hard for me to move this. 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then 60 or o'clock. And each of the numbers or the tick marks right here, or the dots or the lines, whatever you have on your clock, stands for 1 minute. So this would be 10 o'clock. And then if we moved it, it would be 10:01, 10:02, 10:03, 10:04, 10:05, 10:06, 10:07, 10:08, 10:09, 10:10, and then we just go from there. And so the easiest way to tell time is not to count all of the dots. It's to remember that 3 stands for 15, 6 stands for 30, 9 stands for 45, and 12 stands for o'clock. So if you see something for a minute hand on 4, we're not going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the way to 20. We're going to say, well, I know this 3 stands for 15. So one more jump in a number is 5 minutes. So then you would just say 10, 20. I know that's a little tricky, so you and mom can practice with doing it that way. This we would go, well, I know that the 6 is a 30. So 5 minutes after that would be 35. So it's basically counting by fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and then o'clock or 60. And so you don't have to, if something is here, you don't have to do 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. You could just say, well, I know that this 6 is a 30. So 5 minutes past that would be 35. 10 minutes past that would be doing, we go to 10:30 and then we go 10:35, 10:40. So that was one of the things that they wanted you to practice. So